Hello guys, my name is Subodh and I will take class of BPSC current affair, and today class is for BPSC introduction, means that how to we prepare for this exam. This is a very easy exam, but it is not so easy as you think, and we cannot. There are 5 lakhs students appear for this exam this year, so it is one of the toughest exam. The next thing is that where we have to focus and how. This is the most important thing. So first, you have to prepare for this exam. You should focus on current affair. That is the most important. According to me, here BPSC means for PT. We are talking about PT, and in a PT for PCS, judiciary, CRE, auditor, like these exams we are talking, because the level is same. So what, there will be 150 questions, you know very well, and you have 2 hours, and you have to, there will be no negative marking. So in a current affair, 1 year current affair is very important. For current affair, you go through Hindu newspaper or Indian Express. Why I am saying these are important? Because you have to divide current affair. Every day you have to study Hindu and Indian Express. Just go through. You have to go through article, because mostly questions in mains, if you qualify this exam and you are not capable to write with a good idea, with your own idea, your current affair should be matched with answer. Whatever your current thought should be correlate with answer. So it is a very important part. So mostly what happens that now this type, if in UPSC, if you see that those are focused on Hindu and Indian Express, after qualifying PT, they easily crack down mains, because mains is a game of writing, and improvement of writing is a art. But in a UPSC, what they want that you should have a knowledge of current, and you can apply those current in day-to-day life. Whatever you will answer, that will be correlated with Bihar. So and then you go through a fact book, speedy, Ghatna Chakra, like that, Ghatna Chakra और प्रतियोगिता दर्पण. If you give 10 days on this topic, that will be very important. But what you have to do, you don't go through the Rajyapal like that, just you mug up, and then your current affair will be covered. The next important is science. Science play mostly 30 questions comes from this section, and for this section, what you should do, you should focus on bio, physics and chemistry. So we have to focus 10th standard book here, but like that some question from unit and measurement, there will be one question from there. Acid, there will be one question from acid and base. So we have to study like that chapter, easy. Okay, some from in a physics, there will be one question, light chapter will be very important. Mostly questions comes from here, 2-3 questions. Then what, electricity, city, and a structure of structure of atom. So questions comes from here DNA, RNA, like that, cell, division of cell, plant kingdom, like that. You can easily score 30 marks. The next is you can focus on after that history. You know, in history, Bihar and Indian history, ancient history is same. BPSC don't hear about ancient history. Then medieval. Indian history doesn't focus, BPSC doesn't focus on medieval history, and the most important section is modern history. So in a modern history, you know very well that modern history starts with Gandhi, and Gandhi Satyagraha Andolan movement started from Bihar. So who was at that time with Gandhi, you have to remember. So you should study around Gandhi. So mostly your question will be covered. So here history, and then next is, so if you qualify and in a Bihar, then Bihar special. In a Bihar special, you have idea about land, district, river and Yojana of Bihar government, budget, like these questions you have to go through. First of all, what you have to do, you have to make notes of this, and you go through the fact within 1 month, and then you have time. Then because science cover 30 marks, 30 number, history and Bihar special cover 60, 30 each. Then current affair 30, this cover 120, and rest geography, polity, economy, 30 questions. In our economy, there will be question from budget, Okay, so one question from climate, industrialization, and current affair is related to polity fundamentals, right, like that. So what if we go through in this way? So most important is what we have to study. That is the most important thing. We don't, and book is, you go through Lucient. If you don't have time, just you go mug up Lucient, and you try to interconnect to remember the fact. Because what happened that if you have a 1 week and you have to go through a fact and you are not able to chronologically ready to remember everything, so it is very hard and toughest work to put in mind, because mind need a rest. We are not a machine. So my focus is that if you do like this activity, then you can easily qualify BPSC. It is very easy to say, but implementation is always hard. So my focus is both that we take class for mains, also for writing improvement means that how to use your current affairs in writing section. Means that for that you should study or what, because your mains totally depend on your how to use your current affair. It is applied. What applied GK means that everything you can correlate with Bihar. If trade, you can correlate with Bihar. Okay, that